Ant colonies execute their own. Ants execute their own. Fact 1. Sick ants are identified. Fact 2. They are dragged away. Fact 3. And killed to protect the colony. But that's only the surface. Because inside an ant colony, there is no mercy. There is only survival. You think ants are small, harmless insects, but an ant colony is closer to a superorganism than a family. Each ant is just a cell. And when a cell is infected, the body removes it. No hesitation. Scientists discovered that when an ant becomes sick, it starts behaving differently. Its smell changes. Yes, ants can literally smell disease. The colony detects infection before it spreads. And then, isolation. The sick ant is surrounded, dragged away from the nest, sometimes dismembered, not out of cruelty, out of efficiency. Because in a colony of thousands, one infection can mean extinction, but it gets darker. Ants don't just execute the sick. They wage organized wars. Entire colonies invade each other. They capture larvae, steal resources, enslave survivors. Some species, known as slave maker ants, raid other nests, kidnap young ants, and force them to work for the rest of their lives. No escape, no rebellion. Only instinct. And then there's the fungus. A parasite called Ophiocordyceps infects ants. It takes control of their nervous system. The ant climbs to a high place, locks its jaws onto a leaf, and waits. The fungus grows through its body, then bursts out of its head, releasing spores onto the forest floor below. The colony senses something is wrong. They remove infected ants before the fungus can spread. They create quarantine zones. They adapt, because survival is everything. Here's the part that most people don't know. Ants perform battlefield medicine. When injured in war, some ants are carried back to the nest. Other ants clean their wounds. They secrete antimicrobial substances. They save lives. Execution and healing in the same colony. Cold logic. Perfect balance. And the queen? She doesn't rule like a monarch. She produces eggs. That's it. If she fails, the colony replaces her. Even royalty isn't safe. Because ants don't value individuals. They value the system. So next time you see ants marching in a line, remember, you're looking at one of the most ruthless and efficient societies on Earth. They execute their own. They enslave others. They fight wars. They treat wounded soldiers. And they will sacrifice anything for the colony. Follow for more terrifying animal facts. Because nature is smarter and darker than you think.